Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. All right, so this next video is on synchronicity and success. When you want to be successful at something, it's very important that the three bodies, the mental body, the mind intent, the feeling, the astral body, and the physical activity and physiology of the body are synchronized. So let's look at an opposite. A person's doing a job. Their astral body really dislikes their job and the mental body is dwelling and thinking about their next holiday. This is a classic desynchronicity, an unsuccessful person. Let's look at a successful person. They're focused on their job, their success. Their feeling is passionate about what they're doing, and their activity and physical is following their plan perfectly. Their mental body is calculated, this is what I have to do for success. They feel it with passion and they act on it. And this is a synchronized, successful person. So this synchronicity of the three bodies is essential. Now in my videos, I'll say things like, if you do this exercise for a month, you'll double your wrestling skill. This is dependent upon you having a self-fulfilling prophecy, this is what I want to do, I want to double my skill. Your mental body goes, this is how I do it. I can feel the method and I act upon it and I fulfill that self-fulfilling prophecy. So there's no doubt in your mind that this method will work, and you make it work. You understand, you feel, and you act in a synchronistic way. If you approach any of these teaching methods with a sense of, okay, I'll test it, but I'm not sure, then that self-fulfilling prophecy of doubt manifests itself through the process, and you won't fully unlock and understand what you're doing because you've sabotaged yourself. So you really need to look at, what is the intellectual model? Can I feel and understand that on a feeling level, and then I act it out? So these three synchronicities are very, very important. If the three dantians are synchronized, success happens. If they're unsynchronized, either taking a very long road or failure happens. So it's important to really evaluate how you think, how you understand something, where your mind intent's focused, the feelings and emotions and insight emotionally, that you can feel the process and you know it on a deep level, and then you act upon that. All right, thank you for your time, and see you on the next video.